Hi, this is John Moss, Green Scene Home Inspections. I'm in a garage today looking at a few things here. We can see on the ground this little cutout on the floor of the garage. This is from previous foundation work. So they've recently done some foundation work to the home. That's one of those things as a buyer you'd want to check on what kind of warranty might be transferable and what you need to do in the first 30 days to get that warranty to transfer over. We've had some movement in the garage here, so you can see some separations in the sheetrock, some pretty significant cracking, which is probably why they needed to do that foundation work. And this is a little bit older home, so the outlets in the garage are not GSEI protected. So they are wired correctly, but that should be GSEI protected. So when we test that, that should pop and turn off. It's not doing that. And then also we have an electrical cord going from the garage and then up into the attic and out throughout the house. That should not be done. We don't want any wiring going through the garage. Also, you want a good fire barrier in the garage. So quite a few deficiencies here in the garage. John Moss, Green Scene Home Inspections. Have a great day and best of luck in your home shopping.